I started my career in the year 2011 when I was 14 years old, and from that time only I've been playing as a goalkeeper. So the process has been long, of over 9 years to the road of Indian team. There's been like a lot of people who have been around me and helping me a lot out. One of my coaches is Connie Costa Fernandez, who has been I've been with him from last 7 years, 7 8 years, and he's been around polishing me day in out for the goalkeeping. And yeah, I've been looking out to perform for the Indian team because it's a proud moment for not only for me but the whole Goa state, as I am the first Goan to represent in Indian team. So the pressure is on, but it's all about how you take pressure. So if you take it positively, I think so everything will go well. So looking forward to play well over there and be a regular goalkeeper in the Indian team.